if there weren't any air up there, it would never come down. There is a little bit of air. You never get above the Earth's atmosphere. If you go between galaxies, then there's some places where you might have one hydrogen atom per cubic meter. But that's still some mass. Not much, but it's never, you never get to zero atmosphere. I love science fiction, but that's the one era every science fiction story I ever watched is made. They're taking off in their spaceship and saying, well, we just got out of the atmosphere. No, you didn't. The atmosphere got thinner, but you don't ever get completely out of it.
I had a question.
Yes.
The symbol above your force and your,
Displacement.
They're supposed to be arrows.
okay, so they're directional.
This is to indicate a vector. The force is a vector, the displacement is a vector.
Okay.
But work is a scalar, interestingly enough. Even though the two vectors are that you multiply, the two quantities you multiply are vectors. If work is done, what are the possible results? What does work do? There's three possibilities.
Is that the energy?
Work and energy are really the same thing. Energy is your ability to do work, so work can
It can
cause motion or change motion. So if a body's sitting still, it can make it move. If a body's already moving, it can make it move faster or slower, or make it turn a corner. So there's three possibilities here: speed up, slow down, or turn a corner. Now, second possibility is you might store energy for use later. Store potential energy. Now, we've talked about two types of potential energy, gravitational and kinetic. And we did problems, we solved problems using just gravitational potential energy. So I'll list those as an example. Gravitational potential energy is mgh. Mass times gravity, 9.8, times the height. We also mentioned, but didn't work with, elastic potential energy. And that's 1/2 kx squared. Where k is a spring constant and x is how far you stretch the spring. So what's the third possibility that work can do?
change, change the type of energy.
Yes, who said that? Thank you. Change the type of energy, absolutely. Let's give some examples. That was actually one of our questions on this sheet you just turned in. I hope y'all got it right.
We do
List
too.
3 different forms and types of energy. Give one example of a conversion from each of these forms from one form to another. One example, light. Light comes to us from the sun. When it heats our skin, what does it convert into?
Melanin?
Well, actually, that's true. Yeah, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, I know.
She on a roll today.
I fasted for 3 days, so I'm like,
Okay.
that subconscious just kicked in. I don't even know what it's doing.
You're ready for that A, aren't you?
Yeah, oh yes, I hope so. I'm speaking into existence.
I know that.
I'm gonna put yours up here too. It can do a chemical energy. Because that's what happens when it creates melanin, it's causing a chemical change. So that's another thing that light can do. Okay? And there's a lot of other things too, I'll just give you examples. What if you go to a concert, you stand next to the loudspeaker, what do you notice?
Vibration.
Vibration. So vibration if it's a loudspeaker, it can create sound. And actually a lot of sound. I recommend wearing earplugs if you ever go to those concerts. Because it can damage your ears. And I've been to a few of them.
Who'd you go see?
Close by. What's that place on 7th and Chester? That little restaurant there, that they have bands play in the back room.
Yeah, Vino's.
Vino's, yeah, I've been there a time too.
Mr. Bell.